lang
Si Jet kasi nangiiwan.
for documentation.
Jet, just record the experience and I'll edit it later.
There? There?
Oo na. Oo na. Yup. Think my internet is using 4 people at once.
I just witnessed.
Yeah,
just witnessed.
I'm lagging so.
I just witnessed.
I lagged so hard.
Oh.
Kapuso Jessica did not record that.
Oh my God.
Mars.
Marga, I am relying on your body, mind, and soul to connect through this cage and let me.
Marga,
Ah,
hindi ka raw mabuti na kaibigan. Payag ka ba?
Silent.
No,
Grabe
hindi
yung love
talaga
ko,
sinisave. Hindi talaga nililigtas. Masama kang tao, Marg.
For the millions of chicken joyers.
Oh, never mind.
talagang patay na ako sa internet ko. Pre.
And
It's okay, Marga. You can do it. You can survive. Yeah.
Girl, you're kinda cook. Oh no, you're not cook. Wow.
Oh yeah, you're cooked, Marga. Ingat. Ingat, Marga. This is my second time getting defrocked. Hi guys. Defrosted na ako.
Yo.
Yo, best.
You don't see her at all, boy.
Ano ba
damn.
naman?
I gave
Marga,
it
di ka
away.
ba
I'm sorry, Marg.
tumakbo? Marga, di ka ba tumakbo?
Wala kayong
Nag-react na nga.
ingay niyo po.
Sorry.
Si Jet kasi. Si
Ayun.
Jet,
Yeah, my bad.
Jet kasi nag-react.
I tried to pretend that she ran away by saying, oh.
Hindi pre. Hindi talaga.
Mananahimik na lang ako next round. Talaga.